I'm gonna back her up, I can back her up a little bit.
Oh my god. Phoebe?
This is Mama's bacon.
Mother's Day bacon.
I
think she likes the grease.
I think so, 'cause she's licking it like crazy. Is salt good? The cat likes pig.
Sato likes it too. She's licking it.
Is she?
Oh, she ate it.
I did not expect that.
No, she was going freaking nuts. I couldn't figure out what. I didn't think it was the peanut butter.